so today I received a package from Sketch and Random on Instagram. It was supposed to arrive like last week, but USPS had problems and it took around like an extra 2 weeks for it to get processed. So it takes a little bit over a month, but it finally arrived and I'm really excited to open it. She's also up in Storenvy. I will try to link that down in the description if I can. Alright, here is a sneak peek inside. So the first two items that I pulled out are these two One Piece limited edition box mascots. So I got Before Time Skip Usopp and Before Time Skip Brook. I am trying to collect the rest of these. These are actually very hard to find. I am getting a few more from another seller soon. And I also believe that I bought another two from SAR, so hopefully those will arrive soon as well. So here is a close-up look of the squishy itself. It does have a lot of cracks, which I think are due to aging. But the box were completely sealed, so and here's Usopp. So the next item is this One Piece chopper bun. Alright, my last purchase item was this Haikyuu Oikawa milk bread bun. I actually already have another one of these, but I bought this one before I received this one as a gift. And the thing is, I already have another one coming in on the way as well. So I'll be having 3 of the same design, but that's totally okay. Alrighty, and last but not least, I did not expect this, but she gave this to me as an extra. So it was very nice and kind of her. It is this One Piece chopperhead bread mascot. So I hope you guys liked the haul. It's a pretty small haul, but thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys next time.